Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:58 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles west of Deal Island to near Lynnhaven to Latimer Shoal, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Lynnhaven, Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, First Island Bay Bridge.